Hi guys, I'm Abby and that's my dad right there. And these are my dogs, Frog and Jason. She just vanished. And this is me, my personal self. That's my dad. And I'm taking this video because I made, you know that green slime video that I put up? Yeah, I've got some light purple slime just like that. And if you haven't seen that video, please, I've been begging for you guys to do this, but this is putty sort of stuff. Ah, there she is. Right there. I'll go close enough to there she is, my beautiful possum. This is me and her together. We're good sisters. This is my brother and dog. Look at them. Such perfect couples. You just want lots of attention, don't you? You just like much attention. Yeah. Okay, back to the video. This video is mostly about my new slime that I made. And Dad will be videoing this. Excuse me, look at the daylight on the flowers. I'll just put them in this container so you can see up close. This is some look at them for a sec. If you're bored, guys, have a look at that. That's awesome. Just need to. Sorry if the noise is a bit noisy. There's music in the background. Who knows why? I don't even know why. But guys, just hold up for a sec. I know how to make something very awesome. Yo, my name is Mr. Sausage. No, it's not Mr. Sausage. Don't want a mouth. Perfect. Okay, guys. Had enough looking at this? Well, I've got something better. Okay, so stretch it like that. You got yourself a swirl. Look at that. It's a perfect swirl. Well, I don't know what it more looks like, but it's a swirl, and it's not actually slime. It's a gurk, and the gunk, and greasiness. So it breaks easily, like that. So it's not actual slime, it's just stuff that I made because I was bored. Dad helped me. I tried to make clear slime. So it's in my bedroom setting for 3 days. Seriously, 3 days is a bonus for slime to set. Slime usually sets after it's been made. But that's not true. So this stuff I made last year. Made blue stuff as well. The green one is what you have seen mostly all the time. That just looks so weird. So this is a video about this purple. Well, you probably think it's white. It's actually a very, very pale purple. And that is my channel right there. I know it's a short one. I usually make huge long ones, like long videos. But today I just did a short one. And if you have not subscribed, smash that the subscribe button, and I will be giving you a shout out during the video, and I've got a giveaway and I don't know which one. So if you guys really want to join my club, subscribe down below. If you like this video, press like. If you don't, press unlike. Comment down below and ask for what the giveaway might be, and I will tell you. So that is my video. Bye.